designer. Put your hands together for the Tanya of Team Royal Warrior Collection. Bonjour. Hello. I'm a Tanya, celebrity designer. I work with a lot of celebrities and I'm Canadian. So you already know it's going to be sustainable. Like my dad said, it was going to waste a long time. So everything in my life is sustainable. This is like, I feel like the pleasure to make something that was thrown away into something beautiful is amazing. Like it's God. So like this is a purse. And you guys, I'm Tanya, the designer on Instagram, and if you guys want to donate to the cause, I'm always accepting Hawker's bags, rice bags. You'll see all of this in the satisfaction show.